Again, because here we have Ether channel, if one link failed, other link is available or other links are available. Because of that, we can say that every time the convergence is, for example, faster than other technologies. It is obvious. And finally, about the distributed VLANs, we can say with this type of design, VLANs can span multiple access switches without the need to block any uplinks. You know that all of these access switches, okay, are members of one logical switch. Because of that, you can configure the VLANs, okay, different VLANs in different switch, because actually they are members of one logical switch, and we don't need to, for example, block the links like the layer 2 access ports or some other things. Here you can see that with simplified campus network design, actually now we use the benefits of multiple features in one design. Alright, here we can compare the 3-tier design and also simplified campus design. In 3-tier design, we have multiple links, multiple, for example, switches, and as you can see, this is a little complex. But in the simplified campus design, we have only lower number of the logical switches and lower number of links. As you can see, the maintenance, the troubleshooting of this network is easier than the 3-tier design. Because of that, we can say if we have the option of using VSS and also stack-wise cap technologies, it is recommended to use them. The next enterprise network architecture option is the software-defined access or ST-access design. Actually, software-defined access or ST-access is the industry's first intent-based networking solution for the enterprise, built on the principles of Cisco's digital network architecture or DNA. ST-access provides automated end-to-end segmentation to separate user, device, and application traffic without redesigning the network. There are many challenges to manage enterprise networks, including manual configuration and fragmented tool offering. Manual operations are slow and error-prone, and these issues are exaggerated by constantly changing environment with more users, devices, and applications. With the growth of users and different device types accessing the network, it has become more complex to configure user credential and maintain a consistent policy across the network. Without a consistent access policy, it is difficult to maintain separate policies between wired and wireless, or to locate users and troubleshoot issues as users move around the network. Built on the principles of intent-based networking, ST-access helps organizations enable policy-based automation from the edge to the cloud. ST-access gives network architects the tools to orchestrate key business functions like onboarding, secure segmentation, IoT integration, and guest access. ST-access automates user and device policy for any application across the wireless and wired network via a single network fabric. And ST-access is a transformational shift. It allows IT to set network access in minutes for any user, device, or application without compromising on security. We will learn about the software-defined access or ST-access more than this in future, but for now we can say that one of the newest method of the enterprise network architecture is using the software-defined access or ST-access. Alright, now we know about 2-tier design or collapse core, 3-tier design, layer 2 access layer STP based, layer 3 access layer routed access, simplified campus design, and finally software defined access or ST-access. They are different enterprise network architectures options, and let me to say that in some cases we combine different methods, various methods with each other.